Being open for the very first time after 50 years seems really magical to us. It's beautiful, it's peaceful, the sun is coming up, we can hear the waves, and we still look at each other and say we're on vacation. I mean, this is like a vacation destination for many people, and for us, we have the opportunity to be able to live here, and it's just, to us, it's paradise. When people come back to the inn who have been connected to it or had piece of history, or their relatives have had piece of history, they're really Sleeping Bear Inn celebrities to us. On the original sign that was here, and so it says excellent meals and tourist rooms. And we do feel like our breakfasts are pretty good. We serve guests a full plated breakfast every morning, and hot and warm, and on our porch, which is also welcoming with the sun shining in, and we feel really we feel it's the time that we can connect with our guests the most. For the renovation of the inn, it was very important to us to leave the outside envelope exactly the same as it is. So this porch was enclosed in 1928, and everything you see here on the porch is original. We redid everything, the floor, the ceiling, the walls, and we painted it the original color that we could find. Every single window on this first level on the porch, the 1866 windows, the 1928 windows, are all restored and original. In all three fireplaces, those are the bricks in 1928 when they added the fireplaces in. And prior to that, they would have had freestanding stoves that heated the inn. While we were doing renovation, we did uncover some really wonderful craftsmanship. We were hopeful to find pieces of history, and we did find a couple things. We found an old clay pipe in the walls. We found a medicine bottle that was pine tar and alcohol that was popular during the Spanish flu. Renovating upstairs, we wanted to add bathrooms to each one of the rooms. And so it was we had to look at that strategically, keep the original hallways, and then just move a couple rooms and walls so that we could keep, really the integrity of the structure upstairs pretty much intact. 7 guest rooms on the main second level of the inn, and 1 guest room that was the former innkeeping quarters right off of the kitchen that is a accessible room. So 8 rooms total. We have actually 4.5 acres of property right here in Glen Haven Village, and we have created a couple wonderful places for people to sit. Up on the knoll, we have a beautiful sitting area with a beautiful vista of the bay that is just really unparalleled. Innkeeping is where our heart's passion is, and we really feel like we're living our best lives. We are excited every day to get up and do breakfast and to meet the people who are staying here and to see the guests that arrive and who are part of the history of this. And we couldn't be in a more beautiful place.